Well, hello everyone. Today I want to bring you a video on a couple of trades that I took on VSLR and OXY. OXY this morning because there were some news about carriers decreasing their ideas of how busy they were going to be over the next couple of months, and so I figured that those names were going to come down in a kind of hard way this morning. VSLR as well, I was looking at it right out of the gates today because OXY was not really doing what I was expecting right away. So I took a look at VSLR, which I have right here on the left hand side of my monitor, as well as SPWR. Those two have been solar names over the last couple of days. They have been moving very well, but today they started to ramp up. One of the things that I was taking a look at was the daily chart. If you notice right here, pull back on this levels around 25.99, and as I saw it go up today to test that 25.99 level and print a bull flag pattern, rejecting that 25.99 level right here. As it broke over the level again, going up, I took a stab of this thing, and if you can see it, on the 25.99 with a high, the prior thing 26.04, and it ramped up all the way to 26.40. Now, as you can see here, at a higher level, 26.44, 26.40, right? The high of this descending wedge pattern on that 1 minute time frame, breaking the high here 26.35, and it ramp right here 26.37 by 2 cents. If you want to wait for confirmation, obviously wait for 26.44 to 26.50 to go over the $0.50 resistance, but obviously that's really not what I did. I took a first trade here on a pullback. I got out. I didn't really take I didn't participate on this ramp up right here on the wedge pattern breakout. You see how it went up right here. That wedge pattern here gave us a pretty nice topping candle on this 5 minute time frame here. I, on the other hand, because I like to wait for a retest of the same areas, waited a little longer. Look at what happened here when he rejected the first time around. Look at this here, right? On this pullback, you can see it was right here, this candle at the first pullback, right? Came down and it had a little consolidation to come right back up. Oftentimes we can see this happen many times around. It had support on the view app, come up and then just go sideways to consolidate and go close to or test the same area of the prior high and then just come down from there. What you do on that type of trade is that you have to wait for the break of the lower point. You can see here this candle was the one that actually broke the 2676 area, 2676. But if you want to wait for a little bit more confirmation, take the low here, 2667. And look, I had a pullback pretty nicely, 2616. Even if you wait for the 2667 all the way down here with this consolidation, you're able to extract on this kind of moves 50 cents. This thing started to consolidate, as you can see. And also on the 5 minutes, look at it, how it came up to tap the view up again 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, and then pull back for a retest of 25.99, go down, follow through a little bit. We can see a pennant formation right here in the 1 and come down again. I only participated, my participation was here in the bull flag breakout. Took a little nice trade all the way to the pin-up formation right here, this wedge pattern on the 1 minute, pardon me, it said pennant, wedge pattern on the 1, and on the pullback of this candle here. Let me just bring it back so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Wait, give me a second. Oh, it doesn't want to do that to me now. Okay, let's just do it this way. So and then at the break of this doji candle on 5 minutes, which was the consolidation and very close to retest of the prior high. One of the things that caught my attention here was that we were very close to the 25.99, and as I saw it coming up today, you look at the low 24.69 the daily, and then 24.53 in the daily, very close to the areas of support. As I saw it coming up today right out of the gates, you can see right here how it ramped up. I wanted to wait for a test of 25.99 and see how it was going to react to that area. This bull flag gave me that idea that it was going to ramp up, and that's when I took a stab at it. OXY, it gave me 2 red trades. The reason why it happened is because I was focused first on obviously VSLR, and then here I was a little bit early when it comes to looking at how it nicely came down right out of the gates today. I saw how it ramped up and it started to retest this area. I took a stab at 1390 looking for a follow-through move coming down to test the 1376 and come down a little bit more. If you notice right here, OXY, I had this area of 1393, 1272 for that support, right? And that was what I was looking for, a rejection of the area, 1393 daily level to come down and retest the low, 1375, 1373, and maybe even some little follow through. It didn't work that way. If you notice right here, when it printed that hanging man, the first time around that it rejected the area, I was looking for a follow through, but it took a lot of support at 1386. Look at it right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this area here took a lot of support, 1386, and once it came up to the 1395 area, that was actually the what I was actually risking this trade on. 1395, I was just giving it 5 cents. If you can see right here how we had a 1394 and we had 1395 here and 1395 here a couple of times. So I took a trade short 1390 the first time around that it rejected, came up here, I took it out. I lost $9, so very little losing trade. And then the second time that when it was coming down, I slapped it again at 1389, found a little support and came right back up again. So I had to get out when it was ramping up right here. I lost on that one $18 altogether. The losing trades were $27, keeping them really small. It turned out that I was right now, but the thing is that I was early, and being early and being right, wrong, it's pretty much the same thing. But it rejected the VWAP, really. Came down, retested 1393, and so we had some follow through after that to come down. If you notice right here, 1375, right? Rejecting the VWAP, 5 minutes, shooting star right here, coming down. And again, I was right, but I was early, so pretty much being wrong or early, it's pretty much the same thing. But anyway, guys, I wanted to bring you that video today in regards to the 2 trades that I took on VSLR. Obviously, SPWR moves in correlation with VSLR, but I was busy on that one, and it's actually a pretty decent mover. He moved very well, but I wasn't able to extract the $2 and change that it moved, so I took $1 and change up, about 45 cents coming down, and then I took 2 losing trades on OXY. So pretty decent day today, very nice Monday to start the week, and just wanted to bring you that video. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading. I'll see you guys later. Take care.